today's a big day. We are painting our cabin. Joe, our neighbor, has offered to help paint because that's what he does for a living. Jordan is prepping everything now, so they are gonna get started, and by the end of the day, our cabin's gonna be painted. It's gonna be beautiful. We picked iron ore, which is an amazing, beautiful, rich, deep color that you're gonna love. Here it is, you guys. Iron Ore by Benjamin Moore. It's bold, it's black, it's beautiful. We love it. We freaking love it. We painted quite a few things this color, so.
Yep, not the first time.
Our family and friends are probably like, what's wrong with you? But we love it. It's classy, especially with the black windows.
Oh yeah.
I love it.